Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So, with your due permission, shall we begin? Okay, sir. Let me brief about you. Mr. Kunal Mottling, a renowned mime artist, non-verbal movement mentor, and member of the World Mime Organization, have been passionately working in the fields of mime, communication, and mime therapy for over 2 decades, using mime and elements of cloning as powerful tools of expression. He has trained students and individuals across the country to communicate beyond words through movement, gesture, and emotions. His acclaimed production includes The Lost Gift, Champaran Satyagraha, Human Evolution, The Light Within, Gubbare, and The Last Hope. So, sir, your first question will be, sir, can silence sometimes communicate more powerfully than words?
Yes, absolutely. Silence is a language, it's a feeling, and it is very easy to communicate and easy to connect with other humans, with animals, with nature, with space, with everything.
Absolutely agreed, sir. So, the second question would be, what was the turning point that inspired you to choose mime as a profession and passion?
So, in my childhood, I used to watch Charlie Chaplin's movie or videos. So, that was my real turning point. And one name I mention here, Michael Jackson. Yeah. And he was my inspiration, and Charlie was my inspiration. So, I'm here because of them.
Okay, sir. So, in today's digital world, how important is non-verbal communication for young people?
Everyone is in
Digital world.
digital world.
Exactly.
So actually we are going towards a non-verbal society or non-verbal world, because nowadays we are not communicating with each other verbally. So what we are doing right now, we are always on phone. तो यही तो चीज़ें हो रही है, बट नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन जो है उसको हम पॉजिटिव वे में बहुत यूज़ करते हैं इन डेली लाइफ में, जैसे कि अभी आप कर रहे हो, नॉट हो रहे हैं
Exactly.
आपको कुछ चीज़ें आप कनेक्ट करते हो या आप एग्री होते हो उसके साथ, तो ये होता है. अगर आप इफ़ यू आर डिसएग्री देन
Absolutely.
दिस लैंग्वेज, बॉडी इज आवर टूल, ये हमारा एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. सो इसको हमें यूज़ भी करना ज़रूरी है.
So, what would you suggest to those people who are isolated in the digital world?
स्पीक अप, बाहर निकलो, एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ विदाउट सेइंग एनी वर्ड्स, एक्सप्रेस फेशियली एंड बॉडीली. टूल जो है उसको रियाज में रहने दो, उसको प्रैक्टिस में रहने दो, अदरवाइज सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स विल.
Okay, sir. So, out of all your performances and productions, which one remains closest to your heart and why?
एवरी परफॉर्मेंस इज आज माई क्लोजेस्ट वन. तो स्पेशली मैं ये नहीं बोल सकता हूँ कि यार ये सही है या ये मेरा बहुत फेवरेट है या बहुत दिल के करीब है. सारे परफॉर्मेंसेस आई परफॉर्म डे बिफोर यस्टरडे, द लास्ट होप,
We were with the spectators.
तो वो भी मेरा फेवरेट है. सो वो लास्ट वीक मैंने ह्यूमन एवोल्यूशन किया था, उसका छोटा सा चंक किया था अराउंड 20 मिनट्स का, वो भी बहुत मेरे करीब है. बट मैं जो आई अवॉइड कि मैं जज करूँ कि ये सही है वो सही है.
Which performance, according to you, is the most impactful in your entire collection?
द लास्ट होप.
Okay. So, last question for this. What is the most challenging part of expressing deep emotions without speaking a single word?
यू हैव टू बी फोकस्ड. बहुत फोकस्ड रहना पड़ता है, तब इट विल पॉप अप, अदरवाइज इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो फोकस्ड रहना है एंड एवरी डे प्रैक्टिस, राइट.
So in this lazy generation, like everyone who is in the digital world and who is not at all focused, So, what would you suggest them to come and get involved in the entire society?
इवन आई यूज डिजिटली बहुत चीज़ें, फ़ोन है, लैपटॉप है, मैं भी एडिक्टेड हूँ मोबाइल फ़ोन से, बट हमें खुद के लिए भी टाइम देना बहुत ज़रूरी है, अदरवाइज टेक्नोलॉजी विल डिस्ट्रॉय अस.
It might surely take over us. So, this was the last question, sir. I hope the words which you have been suggesting us might motivate all of us. And with this, we come to the end of this podcast. Thank you.
Thank you so much. See you
Thanks.
super soon.
Thank you.